shoot him? Okay. Jason, you're not. Don't stand up. My friend is so tired.
Do I have white lips?
You have white lips? No, now keep this down. That's
You're fine.
That's a smart idea.
Don't do that. Behind the big hill here. Right there.
Ooh. Somebody get up here. That smoke smells good.
Keep it up. Keep it up, replacement battery, let's go. Where's respawn? Right here? No, there. He's concealed on the right. Alright, let's move. Let's move. Cover me while I move. Ready? Go. Go. Pull down. Hey! Ah, crap.
It's pretty hot, man.
I'm just trying to stay in the shade. I don't even care if I get killed. I got grenades to find.
I have one.
I got 3.
We just bought them. We just brought the one to make sure they work, like the course.
The replacement battery.
You need another one, boss?
Oh, I'm good.
Another smoke? Okay.
Smoke? No. I'm good. He's concealed and hunkered down. It'll take a frag to get him out of there. Or full suppression and push.
I got a frag. You already used one?
Yeah. Hey. Hey. I got a frag. We got a frag.
Here.
He's hunkered.
We're behind that bunker to the right.
You got a sidearm? You got a sidearm, anybody?
He has a pistol right now.
Just.
I need to put this.
What's he shooting? Shooting good?
It's not mine. I believe so, though. I shot it once.
Hey, AK. I gotta get in there. Somebody can smoke it?
I ain't got smoke. Okay.
I got a smoke. Hold on.
I gotta get right behind you.
Here's the smoke. Hey, here's the smoke. Use this first.
Yep, smoke him and then joke him.
Give me back the carrier when you're done.
Roger. Here, just take it.
I don't have anything yet.
Grenade.
No, it's okay. Here, take your pistol. You guys cover me.
Oh, you
cover,
got
cover me.
Oh!
Cover.
Fuck. Here. Respawn so something matters.
Hey, you just pull the cap on the Enola. Cliff.
What? You got to pull it yourself, dude. Yeah. Ah.
What happened?
You serious? They just call the game?
No.
Really?
Down here. I see him. I see him right there. You
Called it?
They did the siren, so.
Right, through the bushes!
Hey, will you grab that smoke?
Oh, it didn't go off?
No, I didn't pull the pin.
All right, good.
Is that good?
I guess.
Where's Dave?
Save the grenade.
Oh my god, they were so fast, dude!
I know I'm not going to, but I'm just saying that you did it.
You get some, Dave?
Yeah, my gun broke.
What?
Yeah,
What broke?
I don't know. It just stopped working. I had to go back and work on it.
No way.
Yeah, I just got back here. Watch the big cam. Watch this.
He likes to do that. It's like foreplay, I think.
I got your hand, didn't
I just used it for the hell of it. Yeah, I didn't get much time to use it. Everybody was already